Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn about Data Cloud's newest capability, Document AI, that will help you extract information and generate information from an unstructured data. I'm Akshata Sawant, developer advocate at Salesforce, and with that, let's get started. Firstly, we'll go ahead and create a new schema configuration, for which you can either create it from a source object by using the UDMO file that will consist list of all your documents, basically uploading your files as a source, or you can go ahead and continue it without a source object. This is a simpler one, so let's see that first. So here you can go ahead and select the LLM models. It could either be a OpenAI ChatGPT-4 or a Gemini Flash 2.0 Flash model. You can also select and drop your files. You can choose either a PDF file or an image file. I'm going ahead with a simple internet build sample that I have to see how it works. Once it is done, you can define the fields either manually or you can use the auto extraction method to get all the fields. So let's go ahead and use the auto extraction to extract all the fields from the document. It's taking some time, it's extracting the fields, and at the same time, it's defining the JSON schema for you. Once it is done, you can also go ahead and add in some new fields manually, but as I can see, all the fields have already been well extracted over here. So I'm not going ahead and adding a new field. You can make it more complex by adding in some tables if that's what is included in your use case. Let's go ahead and further test it out. It is now running all the fields over your documents and extracting the data. And as you can see, all the fields are already extracted and they have been mapped to particular fields. You can further go ahead and save this schema configuration by giving it a name. And you have a document schema API name that has been generated. You can further use this to invoke it via Apex class, via Flow, or via Agentforce.